So in today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to transform your old wig to something really unique. This to this. So guys, stay tuned, click the subscribe button. Don't forget that. I love you. Hey guys, it's Black Honey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Please click the subscribe button, share my videos, like my videos, comment. I love you guys so much. So guys, all we need is our conditioner and then our shampoo that we use in rinsing off the dye once we are done dyeing the hair, and our dye as well. Really, I mixed the dye in warm water and it didn't work, so I'm doing it this other way around. So that's the more reason this wig is wet or looks wet. So I mixed the dye in warm water. It didn't give me what I expected because I kept it in the warm water for like 30 to 40 minutes and nothing was moving. So I had to apply it raw on it. So really, it came out really nice, really nice. So all I just did was, like I said, you can just wet it with probably warm water and then apply it same way. So there's no need you soaking your hair inside the warm water and the dye together. It is I don't know how many kind of the dye you need to do that, because it wasn't coming out, it wasn't working. But with this, I used little amount of it and it came out really nice, like I said. So once I was done applying the dye, I had to comb everything together to make sure everything blends together. Like, I don't want to have dark patches up. Anything dark can stay down, but I just want everything to be same color. Yeah, so that's the more reason I'm combing everything together. So you all can do it this way. So guys, at this point, I didn't want anything to destroy what I've actually done, so I had to put it in the paper bag and the nylon to keep it for a while. But a while is like 24 hours later. Yeah, so this was the result after rinsing it and blow drying it. So I actually didn't stretch it. This is just me when I was done blow drying it. So it still looks really soft, really soft. So I think that dye works so well. So all I did was add my argan oil, my oil for it. I applied little amount of it, very little amount of it. So my hair pin is really important to help pack the hair and keep it in place when I'm trying to stretch it. Then I need my stretcher. I kept my stretcher on. It was on 220 degree. I kept it on all through the while, so when it's time to stretch, to be easier. So I just a drop of the oil I applied. I tried to rub it through everywhere. Then you just see the difference when you apply it, to be easier. So when you stretch, to just go like it to just go down immediately. So that is the more reason why I have to apply the oil for the shine too. Very important. Okay, the easiest way to stretch and come out with the perfect result is for you to stretch the down first of all. So I had to pack the hairs up using the pin to pin it. Yeah, I just used both pins to pin the top just to help hold that part while I portion it. I just get little, stretch little, then pick the next part and stretch. I don't stretch all together, little by little. That will give you a perfect result. And while you're stretching, you don't, this video is on what's it called, forwarded, or am I going to put it, this video is really fast, but once you're stretching, you just have to do it gradually. You just have more like a slow motion for a while for everything to come out really straight. So I think that's the best way to stretch. You don't just put the stretcher on it and just bring it down. No, it's a gradual process for you to achieve a perfect result. So that is it for stretching. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share my videos, Say things you'd like to know in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to you. If you want me to recreate or anything, just say it. Say what you'd want to see on my channel more. I think right now I really want to get, I really want you guys to discuss with me more often. So after stretching, this is what we got, but it's time to cut it. Yeah, so I'm using my clipper to do this. This is the first time of me using clipper ever, and really it is really easy to use, very easy to use. So guys, stay tuned for mama. My mannequin is so fine, she's not even smiling. Guys, I was actually scared cutting this stuff, because you know after cutting it you start if you someone wears puts this stuff on, it is more like the back is either shorter or longer, but in this case it came out nice. Baby, look at my baby, look at my baby. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys so much.